Hey, Linda here today with another Craftsman motor. This is a 8-inch direct drive. I'm selling the motor out of this table saw. This table saw is what kind of internally balanced motor, which means if you purchase it, you have to put it into your saw and turn it on. You cannot test it on the floor. You cannot test it on your workbench. It has to be in the table saw. Otherwise it isn't going to work. So be aware of it now, and I will not take a return knowing that. You're going to see this saw work. I'm selling it for $75 plus shipping. You'll see the ad on eBay. It'll be under 8-inch direct drive table saw motor. That's what it'll be under, and I'm going to turn it on so you can see it run. Hold on a minute. Let me get this box out. I wanted you to see the casing, and I'm going to turn it on now. I need to turn the switch on. That would help. Turning. I'll turn it on again. Thank you for watching my video this afternoon. If you have any questions, go to eBay. You can email me through eBay. And all of you have a good day. Thank you.